Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add Bitcoin to US dollar right here on MetaTrader 5. How you can add cryptos or shares or whatever you want. You can do this simply by clicking here on click to add and then search for what you want. So right now, if you want to add Bitcoin, we search right here for BTCUSD. But if you can see right here, there's no option that something appears right here. So then the other thing that we are going to do is go to view, go to symbols, and then right here, you will find here this page. And then at this place, you definitely need to find Bitcoin. But if we are searching right here in MetaTrader 5, BTC, you can only find right here some ETFs, some shares, and not exactly Bitcoin to US dollars. And that is because MetaTrader is not supporting Bitcoin to US dollars. You can only do that from a broker. So if you see a person that shows you that you can do Bitcoin to US dollars, he is logging in with a broker to MetaTrader 5 because it's not possible to do this immediately or directly on MetaTrader 5. So if you want to trade this, make sure you create an account on a broker and then link that broker, and then you can trade Bitcoin to US dollars. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.